right, Charles, get in.
Can we jump in, Grandma?
Yeah, that's the best way.
Jump in, not from there, from here.
From the end, honey.
Yeah, you can jump from the side.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo!
That feels good.
Yeah, right.
Right.
Now stay in though. If you jump up and keep jumping in and
Jump in, you're gonna get cold. Don't turn around.
there you go.
You gotta stay in now.
I'm gonna jump in one more time.
All right. Maybe you want to go under and get your hair a little bit wet.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I said this time I'm going under.
Woo! There you go.
Real good.
Hey, Charles, I can do a back
We're
flip.
going down the slide.
All right, come on, down the slide. Let's go down the slide. Hey, 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 hey.
And the slide short.
Oh, who is it? It's a policeman.
I know you.
What's your name? Officer who?
Officer Austin.
Officer Austin. Who you gonna arrest?
Right, you said Lucinda was at the hospital with Lily. Reservoir about
You.
to serve.
You're gonna arrest me?
And arrest Grandpa.
For what?
No.
For what? We didn't do nothing.
I'm gonna arrest Mommy.
Okay.
Yeah, there's evidence.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, that felt good. I almost went under. I almost went all the way under. I go, oh.
You should go under. It's fun.
I'm going under this time. Okay. Yeah,
Just
come
don't.
on in here some little more.
Here?
No, a little more up.
No, you can't jump on.
I'm not gonna. Right in front of me. Let me get on my knees. There, I'm getting on my knees.
Hey, Charles, you can't open your eyes underwater.
I know.
Oh, Charles, you want to see me do my backflip?
Alright, here, watch. Can you do a backflip?
Yeah.
Do the diving board?
Yeah, but watch it.
Good grief, that girl's cute.
Yeah, I did it. Hey, Charles.
Just don't get too close to the edge, Charles, when you jump.
I hate when she does this. Just there, walking water.
Hey, Charles, I'm touching.
You are
Yes, I am. Right on my tippy toes, I swear.
No, he can't go on the other side of the line. That's
I
for,
know.
yeah.
I'm just saying I am. But I'm a lot taller than him.
This is what I used to do. Yeah, this is how I fell. Yeah. And like, I used to...
You're done.
I'm gonna jump on you. I'd probably get a serious hand. Oh, I do.
I'm going to the deep end where I'm safe.
Ah! I'm gonna jump right when she comes.
Then I just won't come.
Ah! No! No! No!
Can't jump now.
No! I'm doing a cool jump.
Huh?
I'm doing a cool jump. Watch.
The what jump?
The cool jump.
Oh.
Oh, God. What was that called, Charles?
Yeah.
That's called a cool jump.
Hey, Charles.